boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar. NIYO Bosco here with Eminado. So Eminado, it's a nice song with some good vibes here to it, and we have 4 chords that goes almost in the same way through the entire song. It will switch up a little bit later in the song, but anyway, only 4 chords, and yeah, 4 easy chords actually, with the capo set on 3rd position. So that's what we need to do. Capo on 3rd. Let's go with the chords. We have the C, that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. F, it's a bar chord where the bar is on the 1st fret over all strings, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. A minor next. Open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And then finally G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so we'll learn the strumming pattern here. It's a pretty fast one here. Not too hard, but pretty fast with the tempo. So if we go to the C, and grab that chord, 1 string around will be down, down, up, clap, down, like this. So, down, down, up, clap, down. About that fast. And again, down, down, up, clap, down, 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 up, clap, down. That's what you're gonna work with. All right, so we're gonna play 2 string rounds per chord, and for the first minute into the song, you're gonna play C2, F2, A minor 2, and G2. Let's do that. Again. Yeah, it was a pretty bad first round there, but I need to warm up. So I played 2 for you. Anyway, I think you understand. C, F, A minor, and G, 2 string rounds per chord. That's for the first minute. And then when you finished the G2 there, in about exact 1 minute into the song, you switch up this chord progression and continue from here on till the very end with the same strumming, the same 2 string rounds per chord, but now the chord progression will be F2, A minor 2, G2, and C2. So F, A minor, G, and C, like this. Alright guys, so there you have it, covered NIYO Bosco's Eminado. Good luck with this one guys, and play tuned.